naweza kulipa pia.
Jatend piny William Ruto ochuo wang'e nyasi mar ariyo mar jotend migepe kod jogoro mongirore mar keto kogi ogirimiti mar tich e bwo telo mare. Koloso e kindeno, jatend piny onyiso jotend migepe, jogoro mongirore kod apisa duto mag sirikal mare ni onge thuolo mar nindo e tich. Ruto nonyiso geno mare ni en kod kweth man kod lony gi chia mar kelo lokruok kendo tero piny Kenya mbele e weche mag dongruok. Ne apisas mag sirikal mibiro yudi ka wetweth e tijegi, Ruto nogolo siem ni gibiro neno makolwer.
Yes, to retreat, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi to take his seat as acting.
To strengthen coordination, I have also established an office to focus on
between the Constitution creates
assignments as
we have the team, we have the people, and we have the plan and the goodwill to transform our nation. I have no doubt in my mind, and there is no room for failure. We must succeed. We must build on the synergies that exist within government departments, work together towards creating the momentum that is going to make each and everyone succeed. I want us to understand that the failure of one sector of government, one department, one agency, one ministry affects the overall performance of government.
It is my very humble view that in the context of a very vibrant democracy that Kenya is, going forward, we have to work harder, faster, more efficiently, if we have to keep pace with the very vibrant democracy that our country has become. Your Excellency, I'm happy to be part of this, and I promise you from where I sit to support you and to work with all the other colleagues as you lead us to deliver a better Kenya, a more inclusive Kenya, a Kenya that is sensitive to the needs of its people, and a government that is sensitive and responds to the needs and aspirations of the people of Kenya.
Your Excellency, I can only emphasize that it will be important that as we execute our mandates, we exercise extreme humility. We also exercise integrity, and we also acknowledge that the focus must be on performance and delivery as you have assigned us in our various portfolios.